We shall protect. prosperity. We've gone far in this wilderness. Victory's few steps ahead. We are no longer in Egypt. We have crossed our Red Seas. We've gone far in this wilderness. Victory's few steps ahead. When it gets tough to end this nether of our heroes will not defend. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra's already here. Not yet may we remember the price of our great heroes. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra's already here. Inside the wilderness, never open your soul to the wicked one. Penetrate and kill your people. To what he can charge you to say. Inside the wilderness, never sell your soul to the wicked ones. Penetrate and kill your people. God have charged you to say. When it gets tough to end this nether of our heroes will not defend. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra's already here. Not yet may we remember the price of our great hero. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra's already here. Inside the wilderness, never allow yourself to be used to destroy the innocent souls. God have put in your hands to save. Inside the wilderness, never allow yourself to be used to destroy the innocent souls. God have charged you to save. When it gets tough to end this nether of our heroes will not defend. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra's already here. Not yet may we remember the price of our great hero. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra's already here. Remain resolute. Be your brother's keeper. Darkest hour of the night brings forth new day, new grace and favor, new peace, especially hope, more closer to our land of freedom. When it gets tough to end this nether of our heroes will not defend. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra's already here. Not yet may we remember the price of our great hero. Heroines, Jordan commercial activities. In period of recession, when it gets tough to end this nether of our heroes will not defend. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra's already here. When it gets tough to end this nether of our heroes will not defend. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra's already here. Not yet may we remember the price of our great hero. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra's already here. This only probity, one love. All hail Biafra.
Yes, sir. Once again, fellow Biafrans, lovers of freedom, men and women of goodwill, conscientious people, wherever you are all over the world, I will say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and to some of you, good night, depending on your time zone. This is Radio Biafra Extra. We are streaming live through Radio Biafra London, being anchored by the Deputy Leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Mazi Uche Okafor-Mefo. He is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra. In Anambra State is Biafra land. He is the man who have assured us that he will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. And one day, somehow, we will be able to understand the implication behind those words. Mazuchu Kafomefo is standing on a deputizing capacity on behalf of our supreme leader, Mazen Nanjoku Kano, the Prince of Afari Ibeku, heir to the throne of Ibeku Kingdom. Ibeku is in Umuahia. Umuahia is in Abia State. And Abia State is Biafra land. He is the man, the only man who has been able to stand up to speak for the collective interest of the Biafran people for almost 60 years now. And so if you are a Biafran, from Igala to Iduma to Iyala to Bubura to Tinapa to Ugeb, all the way down to Bakileke, Za, I may not be able to pronounce your name well because that name was concocted, it was tempered with. You are from Andoni, Oguni. You are from River State, Delta State, Imo State, Abia State, part of Kogi, part of Benue, part of Edo State, all the way to Delta, Anambra, Bayelsa. You should know this is a clarion call for all of us. We are sincere enough, we can tell ourselves the truth that nobody has come out to speak for the collective interest of all of us. There are those in Benue State, Biafrans. Nobody is talking for them. Because 90% of the Dumas don't even know they are Biafran. They think they are not Anas. That is why they continue looking like Awasa. May God have mercy upon you. But of course, the Gala know the truth. But they are behaving like crocodile. You know, crocodile is one of the longest living animals. Just like tortoise. They're very skillful, very cunning animals. That is why they survive. They just be watching you. You think they don't know. But sometimes you become stupid. You will die in the hand of Boko Haram because the last time I checked, almost more than 70% of Igala youth are in Nigerian army. The remaining 30% are Uguaja. When rain fall and River Niger rise, all of Kogi land, Igala, Biafrans in Kogi land, your land is taken over by water. Government will never talk about it. It's only when they enter flying boat with the help of Willie Obiano, they will see Banjo will now go and deceive you people. But you know the truth. You can be in Nigerian army, kill Igbo man. Forget you are a Biafran. I don't blame you. Without Mazen Nandekano, nobody has said this truth. Maybe there is one man now, he's a Kogi general. He's generaling Kogi people for his own pocket. Go and ask, what is the name of this senator from Benue State? Is it David Mark? Go and ask him. He knows what I'm saying. Go and ask the pastor of that church. What do they call him? Is it Dunamis? All these people know what we are saying. But before our time is up, or somewhere along the line, you are still Ishekiri. I don't talk to Urubu because Urubu know what's up. They know what's up. I'm talking to Ishekiri. Ishekiri of a renowned kingdom. A kingdom that the colonial terrorists will testify that they met human being there. Look at how the mighty has fallen. There used to be a man they called the Nana of Ishekiri. The Nana of Ishekiri governed the Asian Empire all the way from Elijah Bariga down to Bayelsa Patani. But today, that very throne has been decimated. And there is one lunatic there saying it's Ulu of Wari. It's not Yoruba. Yoruba. Ulu of Wari. Ulu of Ishekiri. Wake up, Ishekiri. Don't let them deceive you. It will dawn on all of you. But of course, our leader, Mazen Nandekano, is speaking for everybody. I give it to the job people. Forget about those collecting money because they are pipeline security guard men. But they know what's up. And they are standing their ground. Because you can't turn more than 70% of your youth to Kai drinker. Niger, Delta, Niger, drinking Kai. But who will speak for them? After all, we need to charge ourselves to face this demon. Wake up. Don't let anybody deceive you. Nobody makes money out of us. They will vomit it in the end. But of course, the Kuris are waking up because they know that soon they will sell all their land and then we shall see where they go. But they are waking up. But I must give it to Akwa Ibom people. They may have solid saboteur among them. But I tell you, those one who have risen, there is no retreat, no surrender. When they tell you yes, yes is yes. Where we don't die. I give it to the Igbos. Biafrans, because without them, all of us now, our name will be Dawuda, Umaru, Buhari. Maybe my name would have been Buhari Onyibe. That is if they allow me, mad people. There are some Igbo men who still help us to remember who we are. Formidable. Even though they breed the highest set of saboteur, envy, and jealousy. But of course, you get angry. But who cares? Wake up, we'll be our friends. This is the first time we're having one man coming to speak for our collective interest. And we will all be a testament to that fact that it remained that way. Then, of course, Biafrans are wonderful people. We will never sell you for silver and gold because we are Biafrans, and Biafrans is we. There's no difference between it. So when I said Ogoni did this, Igbo Biafran did this, Niger Delta Biafran did this, Akwa Ibom Biafran did this, I'm still driving the whole point back home. I can't even imagine Igbo people, very useless, proud, brag, nonsense people who answer Igbo name and deny that they are not Igbo. I've never seen a miserable person like Igbo man in Edo State, Igbo man in Delta State. Who you are saying, oh, you are Igbo, you are Igbo. They say, no, I'm not Igbo, I'm not Igbo. When you prove them wrong, they say, no, I'm Bendel Igbo, I'm Bendel Igbo. You say, but there is no Bendel State again. They will say, no, I'm Delta Igbo, I'm Delta Igbo. You think you are doing to us? Uruno meme, uruno meme, uruno meme, umeme, umeme. You think you are doing it to me? Don't worry. And of course, by the grace of Chukwu Kikabiama, I remain George Onyibe. I am from Abo. Abo is in Delta State, and Delta State is Biafra land. Every piece of land. Of course, Biafrans know what's up. But of course, we will not proceed until you acknowledge the Almighty Creator. For on this platform, we wrestle against flesh and blood. We wrestle against principalities and power. We wrestle against wicked spirits in the heavenly places. We wrestle against saboteur, international community who want to steal oil and other natural resources on notice. Enemies are numerous, but believe me, we are equal to the task. Nigeria is about to celebrate 59 years. We shall see what we're going to celebrate. And don't forget, our Atonement Day is around the corner. And so in my humble way, I said to the Creator, the one who loves us beyond all measure. A songwriter say, above all kings, above all thrones, above all power, principalities, above all known authority, he stood above all of them. He chose us above all of them. He said he was crucified. He was laying on the cross, trampled upon the ground like a rose. He took the fall for us. And he said to us, if you being evil know how to give good gifts to your children, how much more your Father in heaven? If IPOB with all her fault and weakness, if IPOB being this evil, what will you talk about Nigeria? What will you talk about collaborators with Nigeria? But yet, Adamu Farouk said to you, if I see our Fulani man chopping another Nigerian one-man leg, I will never call them bad. If these people being this evil will stand up and protect their own, if British government being this evil to impoverish Africa, and yet they stand up and protect their own, why wouldn't Biafra stand up and protect you even when you are lunatic? You think we will come and we talk to you, we harass you, we intimidate you? Because we want to reject you, we want you to wake up from your stupidity. If you men being evil know how to give good gift to your children, for none of you whose sons will ask for a fish and you give them a stone, neither ask for an egg and you give them a python. Even though python is dancing in Biafra land, how much more shall Chukwu Kikabiama give Biafra unto you who are sincerely? And now you know the reason why we worship him on this platform. I worship no idol. I put them to trial. I put them to trial. But of course, for the position we have found ourselves, we will do the undo. We will confront the unconfrontable. But Biafra must be free. And may God keep us to the end. Enye na jage mau nihina imara mai Ihunanya inenagi ubiomagi ujurumanya dadiu inwege mgbanwe ọ dị onye dịka gị ịbụ Alpha na Omega anyị niile na-asị na ịdịmma o. Of course, we start waiting much of our time. We will be going to our topic this morning, which is simply the art of desperation and wickedness that will lead to the inevitable end of the zoo called Nigeria. The art of desperation and wickedness that will lead to the inevitable end. Before we say calamitous doom. Doom, the name alone sounds like Obunigwe. Nigeria will not escape from it. You can be speaking grammar and yapping and gallivanting everywhere in the world and say, okay, I will not do this one. I will not help this guy. He's going to fail. Without my help, you lie. You are nobody until you choose to become somebody. And there is no greater love, no greater sacrifice that a man is willing to lay down his life for his neighbor. IPOB want to know oil well. IPOB want no political relevance. IPOB want no international recommendation. IPOB want one thing, that Biafra must be Biafran, and their respect or their position or their all this grammar, he must be recognized and respected. I should be able to come down on an aeroplane and anywhere in the world, and you must acknowledge me. You will know somebody came down. When one American man is entering the zoo called Nigeria, most of you don't know they declare public holiday. And this American man may even be a shoemaker in America, or Fulani herdsmen in America. But Nigeria will declare public holiday. Are you not ashamed as a Boko Haram soldier, police, SARS? You are carrying umbrella for one useless Chinese man or Japanese man who can't even speak his language properly. But of course, you are very stupid. And then you are doing Van Damme. As I'm talking to you now, they are gallivanting everywhere. The point is that where they fail is that they think I will be hiding inside one village. I am very close to Army Barrack. In fact, most cases I broadcast from Boko Haram, from Aso Rock, from where they are. I will be with them broadcasting. They will be looking at me. They are mad people. This is how stupid they can be. They are looking for, where can we get this? Come to Aso Rock, you see me there. Come to Boko Haram joint, you see us there. Come to Lamido Sani, say, we are very close to you, monitoring your stupidity. I see many of them. They are jumping up and down, behaving like chimpanzee. You're very hopeless people. But of course, out of desperation, they will actually initiate that general state of anarchy, which we are waiting for. Do not forget, this is our right to civil disobedience. Our right to scatter. Our right to slap president and slap governor, throw them inside dustbin. They shall encounter it. Somebody, he went to UN. Jubri went to UN. Yes, the world student, they are watching him. They will be a testament to the fact. The Buhari I know in United States, UN meeting, what he would have done is when he's reading those write-up for him, he would behave like he's a mumu, but he's a very criminal-minded individual. But look at this one, very hopeless zombie. He's emulating late Buhari. And they're now asking questions. You know, they asked the other Buhari, how do you intend to manage inclusive government? He now pretend inclusive. He got no inclusive and inclusive. He should go and check. Igbo is they ask you inclusive, you are saying Igbo. Is Igbo inclusive? But he knows what he's doing. But look at this one, very hopeless, trying to emulate the late Buhari. It's not telling you, oh, how do you see the young democracy of Nigeria? He say, this weather focus, we have to plant plenty plantain. Wallahi, we have to plant, in fact, we will make sure that rain will fall. Yes, it's not good though. Let Chad have dried though. Look at horse is laughing at you. Out of desperation. But I hope Biafrans understand. As you can see, all the countries of the world are working very hard to ensure that the next generation of their people will not even sweat. They're working very hard. But you know Nigeria, so backward, so daft, they are now kidnapping country. If the world does not put them in the kidnapping industry, global index, of course they are not sincere. and they are all on trial. Look at Nigerian government. They are going to kidnap Mali now. To kidnap what do they call the name of this country? Kidnap all of them and be put selling slave trade, kidney traders. Out of desperation. And we are telling you, we are telling you, look at what is happening. Look, suppose, oh, no, it's a propaganda. Oh, when they come to you, they will and when you are shouting, oh, they are killing us, that time you will know we know how to give propaganda. We will help give propaganda. They are so desperate to take over our land. There is something people don't know. Almost anywhere in the world, Indians are gradually making undeniable impact. I'm telling you. But come to look at it. There was a time India was so poor that they were called the poorest people in the world. I tell you, in the shortest time, India will raise shoulder, march side by side with American, with China, with Japan, with Russia, with Israel, with any world power. Not because they are greater than them, because they arrived. Because all these people was once there. You must understand. It's not as if everything is well and good for them. But there are things you must know. Nations of the world are battling to march and stand on the same platform and threaten the world. Why do you think they are threatening us? I want you to go and check world powers. When you hear world power, these are criminals and very weak individuals or countries. But the moment they can produce a weapon that can kill the whole human being, in 1 second, they become world power. Have access to nuclear warhead. You will know why they don't want all these countries to produce nuclear warhead. Because it makes you world power. But without a country, we will give them nuclear warhead. I have started producing it already. Come for me, SBI and CR9 and are mad people. Of course, Boko Haram or Fulani Nigerian terrorists come, we will address their stupidity. Produce a mass destructive weapon. You become world power. Indians suffered it more than we have ever suffered in Biafra land. Make no mistake about it. But today, they are busy doing certain things that in the next generation, they rule the world. You talk about China and Japan. You think what they are experiencing today come on the platter of gold? Most of you did not know that China and Japan, the Asian nation, served America for 100 years as a slave to be taught technology. But the amazing thing now is that the way the Chinese, the Japanese have concocted technology now, America has to step in up or else they are in trouble. But these are the things you don't know. You are envying Japan. Don't you know they bled for it? You are envying India. Don't you know they bled for it? Even America. Don't you know they bled for it? Do you know what they suffered in the hand of the Britain? Tell me a name of a country today who is walking in glory and honor, living in dignity and respect, that didn't bleed for it. And so when we come here bleeding for Biafra, it is because the next generation of Biafra, they must walk on the street of the global community with their head lifted up. The Creator sent us here. Google CEO is an Indian man. Nokia CEO is an Indian man. Adobe CEO is an Indian man. Amazon BOD is an Indian man. Mastercard CEO is an Indian man. Software CEO is an Indian man. Pepsi CEO is an Indian man. Indorama Petrochemical is an Indian man. And you think they are stupid? They are not looking for you. So when you come next time and say, oh, they are talking about Biafra because they need oil, they need their wireless. You are very stupid. Thunder will fire you. ICT. They are projecting their nation even ahead of time known to man. And we are busy there, disgracing ourselves over there. I tell you, what one Biafra man know, 100 Indian man will not be able to anticipate, not to talk of knowing it. But look at where they've gone to. They know the simple truth you don't know, and that is why we are here. But do you know what Nigerians are doing? They are stupidly doing ruga. Oh, you must ruga. You go. They are trying to feed cow. Almost all the countries in Africa are drawing wrapped up in their money. Fake money. Nigeria is drawing cow, melu. Oh, it's Rugao. He has to Rugao. Nigeria has spent almost a decade trying to Ruganize every Ruga because they are very hopeless. Out of desperation to take over your land. How many names have they given to Ruga? Orugarigi, Orugurugu, Oragaraga. Are you people that daft? Fulanis, are you that daft? Oil is running out of relevance. Very lazy people. You are busy calculating. Oh, we make 3 trillion. When we make 3 trillion, you now do 2 times 1 and 2, 2 times 2 are 4. Because you are Nigeria. You now share it. You now go to Aso Rock. All those your house in London, they will fall. Your bank account before the global community, they will fall. All those things you are doing, we are watching you. Nigeria is so desperate that they want to remain in control of the oil well. Good luck, Eberi Jonathan did what he can. And then the Nigerian people saw it. Nothing threatened Nigeria and Britain more than the single father. The time they were Obama, President of America, was removing Goodluck from office. That time, according to their fraudulent constitution, all the oil well owner in Nigeria, it has expired. And so they know if Goodluck go for the next 4 years, you will not be hearing oil in Bayelsa belong to Jigawa, oil in River State belong to Tiwa Danjuma, oil in Delta State belong to Buhari, oil in Enugu belong to Obasanjo, then oil in Anambra belong to who is the next terrorist? Abacha family. Then oil in Abia State belong to who is the next terrorist? Yoshi. Because most of you don't know there are oil here. So when you are coming and saying, oh, they want us because of oil, there is oil in Kogi State too. In a Gala land, there is oil well there. In fact, the first oil well in Nigeria is in Benue State, not Olobili, not even those Yoruba. Search deeply. They will tell you the first oil well was in Yoruba land. But God knows why oil didn't come out again. And then before they discover oil well in Olobili, and that oil well in Olobili is the first oil well. It's a lie. They lie to you to make you very stupid and pompous and drinking ogogoro and sleeping inside gutter and motor park. And you come out and say, oh, I'm insurance. I'm insurance for the avoidance of doubt. Insurance and noir. And noir. Don't let them deceive you. The first oil well is in Idoma land. Idoma and Benue State. Bogosikwe can become a gardener in Aso Rock. Two-Face Idibia can be fooling himself. And there is a one Idoma boy that sing a music. He said, don't let Igbo deceive you. Igbo have okro. We have okokokoroko. But these are paid agents who will address all of your stupidity. Don't get involved in the blood and the DNA of the Biafran people because we will shred you. And now I begin to wonder, what is AK Ajida doing in Idoma land? Or you don't know your land, your village? We have Umbulo. To date, we don't know the real name of Obirafo or Ombulafo. You are from Benue, and the name of your village is Ekajide. But you are not Igbo. Thunder will fire all of you, agent of destabilization, for we shall destabilize you in the end of the day. You think, what do you have? Benue women are fine. It's good I marry Benue women. Then they sleep inside. It's fine. Then they sleep inside. Then they sleep inside. Hey, Benue women are fine. Do they pay house rent with fineness? You think I'm an ugly guy? Don't let them deceive you. Because Yoruba will always make you feel you are somebody when you are not somebody. Go and ask Tokumbo. Tokumbo is like, go and meet Tokumbo. It's money speaking, not Tokumbo. Out of desperation. I beg. Facebook cut me off. Facebook cut me off. Network provider, Zoo cut me off. You were destroying my license to broadcast. Come and destroy, thunder, fire all of you. You don't know what is coming for you. But Biafrans must understand. Don't let them deceive you. You are a Gala, you are a Duma, you are a Biafran, you are a Biafran, you are a Biafran, you are a Biafran. That is not a Biafran. Wake up and don't fool yourself. Cow is laughing at all of you. The world are working hard to make sure the next generation don't fight. Nigerians are busy dragging Biafra land. Britain is supporting them. Or they have relaunched Operation Python that killing people in Ebonyi State. They will kill many more, but we are aware of what they are doing. This is out of desperation. They want to maintain the oil well. Good luck, Ebere Jonathan was thrown out of the office because they don't want him to be there. He's out now. Then Britain is still stealing oil. There are countries I don't want to call. I'm waiting for them to bring out themselves small. Let us disgrace them. They are mad people. Out of desperation, I must tell you. It has led them to start even collecting tithe from your savings in the bank. Out of desperation. Now, there is no war now. So there is no way for Yoruba to come out and give you 20 pounds or 20 naira. Because today, when they move against you economically, they will give you 20 naira. That is why I look at Onyema, Peace. I pity him. He should go and study the record of those who have been there before him. Look at him. He is fooling himself. I tried to unite Nigeria. I brought IPOB, and I now brought Miati Allah. I brought Boko Haram. I brought ISIS. I feed them, and I take them to America. Thunder fire you. Do you know IPOB? Oh, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu brother was there. I took them to holiday in Nigeria. It's Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the African rep. Thunder will fire you. You people are very hopeless. But of course, be rest assured you will be disgraced in the end. There are certain things I do not want to see because I don't want to cross my boundary. If I open my mouth and talk to you, typhoid fever will never leave you. Because the typhoid fever will give you. Ebola will give you. Even doctors from America, Malaysia, Indonesia, China, India, when you come close to their lab, every computer in their lab will shout, they will run away from you. Are you stupid? We are documenting your stupidity. Somebody say, oh, we want the video of UN, we want the video of EU. Don't worry, we are saving the last music for the last dance. You out of desperation, I must tell you. Out of desperation. They want to collect 10%. When I come here, I call Yoruba 10%. I will say, cool down, let's form alliance. Thunder fire that kind of alliance. Yoruba is 10%. Awolowo took 20%. That is why I gave your parents, including my own mother, 20%. Now they are 10%. They're telling you now, you save 10 naira by the decree. We, the people of Nigeria, said that your 10 naira, 5 naira belong to Nigeria on that tithe. And then when we come sometime asking church not to pay tithe, your government is paying tithe, so they are worse than the church. Out of desperation. As I speak to you this morning, out of desperation. It has led them to start collecting tithe in the church out of desperation. It is making them to form alliance with countries of our abode. Also among different organizations to bring us down. Now let me tell you, you are among the batch going to serve NYSC. Now understand that your copper, your roommate, not all of them are students. Fulani women, other Fulanis across Africa, British government, Boko Haram, the people destabilizing Africa, they have concocted them into the new batch. So as a Biafran in NYSC, know that DSS is among you. Know that Boko Haram is among you. I'm not asking you to be afraid. I'm asking you to be smarter than them. For he said, I send you out as a sheep in the midst of the wolf. Be as harmless as the dove, but as wise as the serpent. That is the message. Now, Wazurike actually came out fighting for Biafra sincerely. Just like Asare Dokubo and Ateke, among others. When they were caught like Mazen Nnamdi Kanu was caught, when they received Bulala, Koboko, their language changed. We respect Mazen Nnamdi Kanu because his language has not changed. What he said at the beginning is what he's still saying today. He actually said, if I said there is a way they do something, Shoot me, the next person closer to me. We are very close to shoot him. He may not know. His language don't change. When they beat Asare, I still have the video death with Asare and Ateke. Nigeria rejected them. I have the video. That is why. Etu bochi Biafra gabia oge munu vumnanya ndi mehe unoge tia kanobi asim otu bochi Biafra gabia oge munu vumnanya ndi mehe unoge tia kanobi neti lihe meronwe lihe meronwe lihe meronwe unoge tia kanobi tabu elwe. When they flog Asari Tokumbo, 5 lashes of cane directed by Obasanjo, he was crying. I have the video. When I look at that video and I look at the person telling you as in Joma to go and die for nothing, I see how stupid we can be when we don't use our brain. I dey sick. I want to see my doctor. I dey sick. Today is yapping. Now let me tell you how bad it can be. There was a time our leader was tortured. But you will be surprised we know these things. Nobody knows where he is. We know how we find out where he is. Should he be Kanu or Kaduna? Before he was compelled to take him to Kuje. We know what we did for that to move him from only God knows Sambisa Forest to what did you call that place? Kuje. There are things we know, but you don't brag about it. Our promise is that all of you who want to compromise the blood of innocent men and women Biafran who will die, God will punish all of you. You don't know what is coming from. Don't be yapping. They beat this guy. Most of you will not know. Our leader, before he was arrested, don't have mark in his face. Fine boy Lambato, no mark, no stain. When he came out the first time, he has a mark in his eye. But let's not go there. Before we discover him, they would have beaten hell out of him. We have been there. We are not telling you what they told us. We are telling you what we encounter. But he come out with all the shenanigans they put up around him. He still said, I am not IPOB. I am just appointed leader. Adia Mama. That is why somebody should go and warn Onyema APs to disease. Because when we face him, Fulani will face him. They will come for him. They say we can't trust Ibika Amechi. We can't trust Rogers Okorocha. Nobody can deceive us Fulani any longer. Onyema own. Ibeto fate will be better than Onyema. He should respect himself and behave like a nonsense. You are the few people remaining. When you are supposed to be thinking of how to build the highest aircraft company in the world. You want to get involved in IPOB matter. Ibu Nyabo, Otobarigwe, Ogidi Ganwan. You want to get involved. You don't know what is coming from you. We will shred you and give you heart attack in less than 3 seconds. All of you, make on respect on ourselves. When you are yapping and misbehaving. You don't know. Let's just go ahead anyway. Hopefully you will be able to understand what we are saying. Out of desperation, I must tell you, the Nigerian terrorist state we talk about are forming alliance with many countries. Now, those of you in the youth corps service, all the people there, in fact, they are in IPOB. It's amazing that many leaders in IPOB don't know that evil people are on the platform already. Now, let me pass a message to those who are sensitive. Because Jesus said, I will speak to them in a language that they will not understand. For they shall have eye and not see. They will have ear and they will not hear. There was the time our leader was in Kuje. Politicians and IPOB were going there. Every day, oh, our leader say, somebody will enter motor from Opiweka. The moment they get to Uromi Junction, Los Irios will break down. They will enter another motor and come back because there is no money to get to Kuje. They come back and they say, our leader say. I was privileged to have a discussion with our leader, and I don't think he may remember it anyway. And I told him, I said, I don't report people. I told him, all this time you were in Kuje, I have never come to report anybody before you. It's not my style. There are people who are problem fault finder, And there are people who are solution finders. The world is dominated by fault finders. Only few men are solution to the problem. As I want to be among the solution. I don't report anybody. I don't report. When I report you, you will die. Till tomorrow, I will not report anybody. But as far as I'm alive, I am very ready to address your stupidity. Because some people are there, again. So that we get PDP and APC inside IPOB. Oh, because there are agents planted everywhere. Most of you don't know that Rafael Wazurike was arrested by a youth copper. Rafael Wazurike was gingering, maybe sincerely. And then one small boy come with youth copper. He never knows he's a DSS man. He's an Igbo man. I met him in DSS office. In fact, one of the day they want to torture me emotionally. They say, look at you, Igbo man. You are claiming to be Igbo man. You are fooling yourself. The Akwa Ibom man who is interrogating me pointed to the Igbo man that is by my side and said, do you know this man? I say, no. He said, this is the man that brought Wazurike down. And I look at the man. If Bab Muru, if he's listening now, he shave his hair proper because they think I'm a buffoon, I'm a dumb. Thunder will fire all of them. And I look at the man very closely. His image is stored in my photographic memory. If I plug my, what do they call this cable for charging phone? USB. Anywhere, if I use USB to touch my body, it will download this image. Very hopeless man. I look at all of them. Some of them have different houses. In fact, you that have house in Igbo Eche Road, we know all your house, DSS agent. You can work in River State and live in Kwantagora. You can work in Kwantagora and live in Bangladesh. That is your business. We know all of you. So when you are yapping and jumping, oh, we are formidable, we are DSS, we are Totoro. We even know where Sheka will live. Thunder fire all of them. I hope you are recording it. Record it too. Your desperation will kill you. We will help you introduce a general state of anarchy so that everybody will be fighting everybody. After all, it is our right to scatter, which is self-determination according to Njo Yibo. Out of desperation. Our people must wake up and understand what is at stake. So Wazurike was there saying, IPOB, one family. Oh, did he say so? No. Biafra, freedom. 419, freedom. He saw the young boy. Very talented, very brilliant. Never knew he was a DSS. Like today, IPOB leadership must be very close. Some people are interviewing people because they can speak big English. You make them national coordinator. Because their father is Obafemi related to Yaradua. You make them national coordinator. You should be very serious. Be careful for yourself. But I keep you people quiet because you are ignorant. You are naive. You don't know what is happening. Wazurike saw him. I said, oh, this boy is brilliant. Very formidable. Give him post. Give him post. That day, the head meeting. I'm telling you what the SS man told me. They brought the boy. And that boy was recording them. And when everybody has gathered, somebody, a Mozob member, brought a pistol and built up Wazurike and showed him his ID card. I'm a DSS agent. If you move, I will shoot you. All of you lie down. Wazurike was arrested, tortured and broken like Asari Dokubo and Ateke. They were settled anyway. And immediately that Igbo man succeeded in betraying Wazurike. He was made Oga of DSS. But when I found out after I was released, they have demoted him to a gate man. But that time he betrayed his brother, he was made Oga of DSS. As I'm talking to you now, maybe he's a cook in DSS office. He knows the truth. DSS agent, go and play this clip for him. That time you people called me, you think I'm a stupid man? I was reading all of you out of stupidity. Of course, we will not cross path again. But you dare and come close to me. I will be the last thing you will see in your life. Thunder, fire, all of them. Record our broadcast too. We know you are doing that. We know you are doing that. Please keep it for record purposes. It's going to help you. But these are happening out of desperation. They're forming alliance. So youth copper, no, there are those. IPOB family, where you say IPOB, there are people now when they want to take, they say, no, you can wear your shoe. When I have not been to Arochukwu, some people cannot sleep. They think we are stupid. Have you been to Arochukwu? No. Have you been to Arochukwu? No. I went to Arochukwu. Oh, he went to Abinokpabe. He went to Abinokpabe. Even if he went in to see Satan, I will went to see Satan. Survive Biafra. I don't hear about Arochukwu today. When I see some people talking to me, but they are afraid to go to Arochukwu. I know how stupid you are. Thunder will fire all of you. IPOB in diaspora, IPOB in Nigeria, all of you will go to Arochukwu. You will swear in absentia and in advance. You must swear in absentia and in advance. So that if you have betrayed IPOB before now, Amadioha will kill you. Ndiara. By now you will be panicking. If there is any other deity to swear, please call me, let me go there. You don't make mistake. Do you know how many people that have died? They don't mind them. No, we don't talk on Radio Biafra. Those you killed are the ones talking. We are just mere vessel. Oh, you know they go church, then go, they slap you, they beat you, some go even carry you for neck, use you scatter the chair, then say na Holy Ghost they do you. Don't be me they talk, oh much you go kikabiam and they do any. They knocking you anyhow until you are cured. Best thing you can do is for yourself. Look for hot water or pure water or cold water, depending on the one you are allergic to. Pour it on your head and begin to slap yourself. Maybe you will see what you are not seeing. Don't let anybody deceive you. But of course, we must continue. Out of desperation, as I'm talking to you now, they are telling you that they will cripple airpeace out of desperation. They will do that. Out of desperation, they have shut the border. Most of you don't know. Out of desperation. Oh, we're going to stop IPOB. Out of desperation, they are going to do many things. Go to your newsland and Nigerian newsland. Oh, container, the first container has landed in Cross River State, Calabar. Calabar port has opened. It's a lie. Otu Aburo is here. Calabar port was where Theresa May family come to rape and murder and steal. Calabar port was where Mongo Park landed. Calabar Seaport was where Mary Slessor landed. Calabar Seaport was where, what are the name of this criminal? Harold Wilson. Clifford Constitution, Mafosen Constitution, all the Boko Haram, European Boko Haram, they landed at Calabar. All the ammunition they brought, it was in Calabar. But Nigeria is now trying to make you fool so stupid as a Biafra man. Oh, thank God. What is his name? Jubri is walking. Oh, container have landed. Oh, hallelujah. He's in now Calabar. Oh, Calabar will now be happy. Calabar, you are very stupid if you rejoice. Out of desperation, there is nothing they can do. How many desperation I won't tell you now? But know that out of desperation. But don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Because men and women have died for this Biafra restoration, be yet assured, rest assured that the sacrifice of our foreign heroes will never be in vain. I'll be back in a minute.
We are no longer in Egypt. We have crossed our sea. We've gone far in this wilderness. Because few steps ahead. We are no longer in Egypt. We have crossed our seas. We've gone far in this wilderness. Because few steps ahead. When it gets tough to end this letter of our heroes will not defend. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. Yet now we remember the price of our great heroes. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. Inside the wilderness, ever open your soul to the wicked world. Penetrate and kill your people. To what he get charge you to say. Inside the wilderness, never sell your soul to the wicked world. Penetrate and kill your people. God have charged you to say. When it But yet may we remember the price of a great hero. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. Inside the wilderness, never allow yourself to be used to destroy the innocent souls. God has put in your hands to save. Inside the wilderness, never allow yourself to be used to destroy the innocent souls. God has told you to save. When it gets tough to end this, neither of our heroes will not defend. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. But yet may we remember the price of a great hero. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. Be courageous. Remain resolute. Be your brother's keeper. Darkest hour of the night brings forth new day, new grace and favor, new peace, especially hope, more closer to our land of freedom. When it gets time to end this, neither of our heroes will not defend. No retreat, no surrender.
Biafra is already here. That way we remember the price of a great hero. No retreat, no surrender. Of course, at this moment, our lines are open. Our WhatsApp line remain 070815 45642. Our WhatsApp line is 070815 45642. Our direct line is 081-221-52971. I repeat again, our direct line is 081-221-52971. Special number for the female is 081-288-58614. Special number for the female, 081-288-58614. I made this announcement briefly yesterday. It shall be formally put in place this coming week. You are a Biafra musician. A WhatsApp forum will be created for you. You are a musician. You have been singing because of Biafra. We are taking your data. Send me your name and who you are. Don't send me your music. Tell me who you are and your name. Send it to this our WhatsApp line. You are looking for how to join IPOB anywhere in the world, or you want to form. Send me your data. Don't be stupid. When I tell people send me your data, somebody will write Okinkwo is send. Congo is send. Phone number is send. Don't type it differently. Send me a comprehensive list. Simple. My name is Jumbo. I live in Brazzaville. This is my phone number. I am a Biafra musician. Or my name is Ikechukwu or Tamono. I live in Tokumbo. This is my phone number. I want to join IPOB. Or better still, my name is Turu Turu. I live in China. I have formed a family. I want IPOB to inaugurate us and tell us what to do. So specifically, I can direct you to those who will manage your affair. On our WhatsApp line, not direct line or women line. On our WhatsApp line. We don't have time, my brothers. We have to do what we got to do now that we have the time. Call on WhatsApp, are you there? Call on WhatsApp, can you hear me? Yes, of course, I cannot hear him. Caller on the line, can you hear me? Caller on the line, can you hear me? But of course, I don't know what is bringing that sound. Caller on WhatsApp, are you there? Caller on WhatsApp, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Good morning from here. Go ahead, please. Your name and where are you calling from?
Mazi Shikwado Ukolenta. And by the special grace of Chukwukika Biama, I am serving the indigenous people of Biafra as National PRO Malaysia. Mazi Onyibe, I must thank you sincerely for the good work you have been doing for Biafrans and all Africans. I also want to pray for our leader, Lord Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, for he has shown again that he's a man of his word. He has shown again that no prophet in Biafra land can match his vision. I pray that Chukwukika Biama, Onye Keri Henine, will bless him and guide him rightly. Whatever that is needed for him to accomplish his mission, he will never lack it. I want to call on my people, IPOB and all Biafrans all over the world, to please come together. Let us put heads together and get our nation. When you listen to all over the world and what is happening around the world, it is time that we'll come together and put our differences apart and make sure that this nation called Biafra is restored. I want to tell our people, the indigenous people of Biafra, I'm now talking to IPOB families. There are many fake Nnamdi Kanu's accounts that has been spreading online. Please, we must be very, very careful to avoid falling to DSS zoo. Mazi Onyibe, it is very, very important that our people understand that our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, don't have Instagram account, and there has never requested anybody to add him in Instagram. So please, when you come across this particular news, fight it. Fight it. And Mazi Onyibe, I want to use this opportunity to tell my people in this Malaysia, tomorrow being Sunday, 29th of September, we'll be having our general meeting here in Malaysia once again. And I urge everybody to come and join hands together with IPOB Malaysia. We are formidable. We are moving forward every day and then. And it is time we all come together. Malaysia here is being on fire. The land of Malaysia is calling us to go back home to Biafra land. Now, if you are going back to your Biafra land, you don't have home. Fulani herdsmen have raided everywhere. Please, let's come together tomorrow in Sharat.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We must continue.
Okay.
Caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from? Caller on the line, of course, Zoo Epileptic Network, as always. Caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from? Caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from? Caller on WhatsApp, your name and where are you calling from?
Good morning, Mazi Onyibe.
Good morning. Go ahead, please.
Good morning. My name is Mazi Jude. Yes, my name is Mazi Jude Chukwu Akiaba. I am calling from Ababe State. Mazi, I want to thank you this morning. And also, I want to use this opportunity to call Asa Uku people. That's who here in Obiungwa local government. That now that we
Of course, as always, Zoo Epileptic Network, we do what they had to do. Can you hear me? Caller on the line. Caller on the line, are you there?
Yes.
Go ahead, please. Good morning from here.
Good morning. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Go ahead, please.
Yes, I'm listening. Good morning, sir.
Go ahead, please. I can only tell you are listening to your radio. Don't do that. Just go ahead. The word is listening.
I want to ihe banyere ndị sabotu ahụ. Ndị sabotu a. Hello.
If you continue doing that, I will cut you off. Stop listening to your radio. I don't have patience for these things.
Sorry, sir. Oh, ihe nchọrọ ikwu na ihe banyere ndị sabotu a. Mgbe pam nọ ndụ, ọ kọrọ ya akụkọ ihe banyere sabotu a na during the war. So ndị niile na-sabotu a, I'm sorry for them. Ọ nwere abụ m chọrọ ịbụrụ ha. Egwu Jehova na-atụ m, egwu Chukwu Okike Abịama na-atụ m, egwu Jehova na-atụ m, egwu Jehova na-atụ m. Sọsọfọrọ ha mbụ Mary Okereke. Esi m na shopping center zone. M chọrọ ịgwa ha na onye ọbụla mere sabotu a adịghị free. Because mgbe ahụ nna m kwuru na ndị niile mere sabotu a after the war ha niile dara ọrịa. Ọtụtụ ihe ha bụ ndị ara gbara. Ndị nwa ha kwesịrị iletu nye ha nri ara bido gbawa ha. Ọtụtụ ihe ha nyara ọrịa anaghị ekwu. Ikpuru bido na-atụ ha n'ike. Ndị dị ukwuu. Ndị ezi anyị ọ tụrụ anyị aka ndị ezi anyị mere sabotu a during the war. Otu ha si nwụọ, etu ezinụlọ ha si laa n'iyi, ọ bụ ihe juru anya. So ndị niile nye sabotu a, I'm sorry for them. Because ha amaghị ihe anyị nọ n'ije, ihe anyị nọ n'ime ya. Ije anyị nọ n'ime ya bụ ije mmụọ. Ije mmụọ, onye ọbụla kwesịrị ịtụ egwu, tụọ egwu Chineke, tụọ egwu IPOB, tụọ egwu Chukwu Okike Abịama. So ihe m na-agwa ha bụ ka ha dị careful. Ma ụmụ okorobịa hụ ma ndị nna ha ndị na-atụ afọ ihe niile ju ha ọnụ na-asị na onwe ihe IPOB mega, onwe nke a. Ha ga-adị careful. So m na-agba ndị niile nọ na IPOB ume ka ha jisie ike. Chukwu Okike Abịama ga-anọnyere anyị. Anyị ga-enweta ihe acha. Nnamdi Kanu m na-ekele ya. Isi ike. Gịnwa George Onyibe m na-ekele unu. Jisie ike.
Thank you very much.
Unu jisie ike. Ihe anyị na-achọ anyị ga-enweta ya because Chukwu nọnyere anyị. Mgbe a lụrụ ọgụ agha, onwe onye tekiri otu maka Biafra mgbe ahụ. Beti ndị na-esere sabotu a ha tara ahụhụ. Ọ bụ otu ọ dị ugbu a, ndị niile mere sabotu a na-achọ ka egbusie ụmụ youth. Ihe ebe a na-abịa ebe anyị nọ, ọ dị too much.
Thank you very much.
Egbusi ụmụ youth. Ha ga-ala n'iyi. Ọtụtụ ebe otu a na TV yesterday ndị efu a, ụmụ okorobịa ndị efu a. Ha niile ga-ala n'iyi. Ndị mere ka egbusi anyị ka Hausa take over.
Thank you very much. We must continue. Caller on the line, are you there? Caller on the line, are you there? Caller on WhatsApp, are you there?
Yes.
Good morning from here. Go ahead, please.
Good morning. Yes, my name is Carlo Eke. Yes, I'm there. Can you
see,
hear me?
the problem with you people is where you call, you are listening to your radio. If I notice you are such people, I will cut you off. When you called with your phone. You didn't call me with your radio. Stop listening to your radio. After 3 minutes, I have said, are you there? That is when you are telling me, yes, I'm there. Because you are listening to your radio. If I were giving you order now, give us order. That is how most of you will be behaving. Don't call my program. Don't call it if you can't behave proper. If you can't wake up, don't call. I even need more time. Let me be talking. After all, this is the dispensation. How can people be calling and listening to their radio? Did you call your radio or you are listening to the radio Biafra for the first time? Kerone. Wakamenya. Ordinary, simple instruction. These are people who say, give us order. You think Fulanis and the collaborators are our problem? We will cure their madness at the right time. But of course, every one of us must fall in line. Can you hear me, caller on the line?
Yeah, Mazi, good morning.
Good morning. This is female line. Caller on WhatsApp, are you there?
Yes, good morning. Mazi.
Yes, I will expect you talk like a man or I will cut you off.
No, I will talk like a man.
Then go ahead. Abadia. No romance here.
Good morning, IPOB. Good morning, dear friends. Good morning, my able leader, my supreme leader, my Lord, Mercy, Nnamdi Kanu. Good morning, Uche Mefo, and good morning, every other IPOB principal officers. Mazi, sometimes when I see something and I try to come up on a network will not permit me, like 2 days ago, when you were discussing about who is governing who, before you bring the topic, I saw something and that thing disturbed me well before the topic came up. Sometimes, like especially here in Aba, you know that there is no road in Aba. Everywhere is locked up. But when you go to a particular place that the road is very bad, and you will see everywhere is locked up, motors park, they cannot move front, they cannot go back, we have pull up or go slow. You will see at least 2 jeeps or 1 jeep. Then one Hilux will be on the front, another Hilux will be at the back. You will not see what is inside this black jeep. The jeep will be so black. Then when they come to a particular point that everywhere is blocked, no motor can move front, no motor can move back or even by the side, you see some people will come out from the Hilux with their kuboko. They will start beating people, blow their siren, wow. I will ask myself, what is inside this jeep that makes these people to beat human beings in this manner? For people to create road for ordinary black jeep that you don't know whether there is somebody inside. You won't know even whether there is somebody inside the motor. Are they trying to protect the motor or they are trying to protect what is inside the motor? But when you look the back of these people, they will write in their cloth there, protecting life and property. These are the people that are supposed to protect life and property. They will come out with their kuboko, beat the people that they call the citizen of the country for a particular jeep to move. This is the road that this idiot is supposed to walk. And when he comes to a point that there is no road, he's supposed to have patience. Since he cannot maintain the road, he is supposed to have patience. Let the road clear for him to go where he's going. But they will intimidate the people that they call the citizen. So when I see things like this, I stop and ask myself, who is governing who in this place that we are? At the end of the day, they will stay in the radio and say, this government we are talking about, remember you are the government, me and you are the government. If you don't pay your tax, government will not do this, government will not do that. Who is governing who in this zoo, the zoo of Africa?
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
We must
Thank
continue.
you,
Our people must remain focused. Nigeria is going to do her out of frustration. We must be ready, frustratedly ready, waiting for them. Can you hear me? Good morning, Ada. Go ahead, please.
May Chukwu Kabiyama bless you. May Chukwu Kabiyama bless all your fans all over the world. I want to say, may Chukwu Kabiyama keep strengthening me and those that are calling on Radio Biafra every day by day. May Chukwu Kabiyama bless everyone. My name is Gimmick. I'm calling from Enugu, Biafra land. I said, all the things you are teaching us here, more especially back to your roots. I know that every IPOB and all Biafrans are listening. If anybody did not listen to that tape, go back to your roots. They should go and know where their tape is, where you posted it. Everyone's supposed to be listening to that program. More especially go back to our roots. And I want to say the urge of their friends, all I pray with, we should get disciplined. There is this thing that our leader said in his book when he was doing a town hall in Japan. He said, from now on, that if every unit of zone or whatever state 2 o'clock, let that 2 o'clock be 2 o'clock. that hour. From now on, we should stop all these. You say that you are coming by 2, then you will leave it by 2:30 or 3 o'clock. That should stop. All these small are the discipline we needed. And all this one you are quarreling this morning are the disciplines we needed. We need all these disciplines so that we can be able to handle this new nation. If not, to work at them it out of our handle. But it will help us. All these I have told them. If our meeting is 1 or 2 or 4, whichever time that we said we are, we did not reach. If I reach late, let the people chase me out. So that next time I will try and come early. Because all these things now is there's no. What we need now
Thank you very much.
The flag to be raised up.
Thank you very much.
Let you go, Kadama, bless you and strengthen our leader as he's running around all over the world. He will be strengthened that Chuko Kadama will keep him from destruction of his enemies.
Thank you
I
very
will
much.
go home. Thank you. Thank you, man.
There is no two ways about it. Our destination is simply Biafra, and we will get home. Call on WhatsApp, are you there?
I'm there, man.
Go ahead, please. Good morning from here.
My brother, my sister, I want to teach our people how to call Radio Biafra because it's very, very unfair. Somebody can call Radio Biafra. It can take your remote. If you are using to satellite, you can take your remote to your hand. After your phone is ringing, just press its mode and listen to that call ringing. After that ringing, you can see the person that the moderator can tell you, call on WhatsApp, go ahead. Call on the line, go ahead. Something like that. You can press that time your phone is ringing. Press the mode of your button or your mode for your remote or even the radio. Turn it off complete. If you turn it off, you will listen to that ringing. After they pick your call, you will know that whether they're talking to you or that person. Or every day, generators was an issue. I don't know. Then Nazuno or generators was an issue. And they couldn't name it. I mean, you're the one who knows. Give one radio, give one radio, give one in a not alcohol. Give what that is need. Oh, religion. Give what that tire completely. You can marry all that is on your place now. Now WhatsApp, where all kind of on our food, all kind of all come to hold on, get caught, you know. My brother, be over like somebody. We go to university, we go to secondary school, we don't go to school. We're supposed to, you know, when they give you time or start to talk, you're supposed to know when they give you time. Give you only time. Time to give you time. The only guy who give you time. You can make your language time. You know how to be before you go to the nobody else. Every time they say they work. I remember I put all sorts of local technology there. And before my brother, my brother, more than we have master below from my mark. When I came to Mozambique, but all the other because of yesterday, I want to concern with our brother. Earpiece, called the earpiece. But that day I hear that message bring the go back because they Indian national. That man, I said that Chamari, to come and look, want to come and start Nigeria to bring himself as a Nigeria. Because if that man wants to, you know what is going on in that call with June, whether you know that we are waiting for that June. But you're supposed to go. If you want to have Biafra, if you want to tell you're a Biafra man, if you want to bring our people home, say that home. But here they want to come around Nigeria. That they want to follow this radio national anthem. Anthem, mama. There's nothing to do. That's how the anthem because nationally will be present.
Thank you very much.
I don't support this to all these things happening. They want to use our brain, but God, they have already passed. They can do anything.
Thank you very much.
I'm not going back. Only the problem. Thank you very much.
Yes. They are deceiving themselves. We are only telling Onyema, Allen Onyema, to use his tongue and cut his teeth. We are not dictating for him. He has plane, good and fine. He's done well for himself. But there is no airport in his place. Enugu Airport is yet under construction. And if you want to die premature death, heart attack, just come out and talk about rebuilding the unity of one Nigeria. We will shred you. We will naked you. Of course, Nigeria will address your stupidity at the right time, but don't get involved. Caller on the line, are you there?
Good morning.
Good morning from here. Go ahead, please.
My name is Norma Upiwe, calling from Aba.
Norma, go ahead.
I want to thank you, Kabiama, for giving us somebody like Mazin Nandekano, Mazin Uchimefo. And I say thank you, Kabiama, for giving us somebody like you. I said, may his name alone be highly praised. He said. I want to tell my people this morning that we are not joking. We are not joking in this fight. Biafra must come. These people are listening to me this morning.
Of course, they know the truth. They know they have choice. It's left for them. Are you there, caller on the line? Caller on the line, you are listening to your phone or you are going to talk?
Hello.
Good morning. Go ahead, please.
My name is Chris Kejukumba. I'm calling from Port Harcourt. I thank God Almighty for the Bible order to the worldwide. May you go carry and bless everyone and protect everybody. There is stay alive and see Biafra. I'm native of Ibezen Ugozike. May you carry and protect all of you people and give you people long life to see Biafra.
Thank you very much. And bless you too. We must continue. Are you there, caller on the line?
Yeah.
This is female line, please. Do not call the female line if you are a man. And of course, we are inching closer to the end of this program. Can you hear me, call on WhatsApp?
Mazi, good morning, sir.
Good morning from here. Go ahead, please.
Yeah, please, I don't know how I was on.
But of course, as always,
in just 2 minutes before you open up your line. But at the same time, yeah, okay.
Go ahead.
I'm hearing you, sir. Okay, so, well, what I want to say here quickly is this. I read out something from your screen which say, when once you become fearless, life becomes unlimitless. And this is the things we have been saying. People don't understand what we're doing here. Do you know that we have studied so much that even the heaven is even begging us not to study again because we might be more better off than the angels in heaven? They opened up a line for the zoo people to call in just this morning in 98 point whatever they called it. And they were asking them if they give you say it out. Many of them are just seeking for favoritism to be accepted, and they refuse to hit the nail on the point. Just open up the Radio Biafra now and ask that question. You see that the good students from this institution will tell you what Nnamdi Kanu have said. One good thing, just number one thing I remember so vividly is that he said, the non-lucrative. And this acknowledge that will make this idiot stop looting, stop corruption, stop evil, stop betrayal, stop saboteuring. I don't know why people remain so. I don't understand, sir. These people are so foolish, and it's like they created that line for them to be calling those people.
That is their calling. They are answering their calling. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. You don't have to say anything. It's their calling. It's their calling. And they are answering their calling. Make no mistake about it. It's their calling. It's their calling. Don't let anybody deceive you. Biafrans across the globe must understand. We've gone past that stage. Are you there, caller on the line?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning from here.
Good morning, Biafra. Good morning, Biafra all over the world. I thank God for the life of my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi Chemefo, and Mazi Onibe, and all the principal officers who have sacrificed their life for the restoration of this our dear nation, Biafra. Mazi Onibe, your topic this morning is so beautiful. Out of desperation, the Zoo government thought that the gun and bullets shall stop Biafra restoration. Out of frustration and desperation, they thought that by harassment, by knocking, and by killing of Biafrans, we should be afraid and stop the agitation. But they don't know that all those things are the powers that fuel our zeal. When we remember our foreign brothers and sisters whom they have killed harshly, we say that instead of this not to happen, it is better for all of us to perish and die. We know that we do not live to see Fulanis, uncircumcised Fulanis take over our dear land. Out of desperation, when they see
Zoo Epileptic Network, it's unfortunate for Nigeria. Pathetic, I should say. But of course, we are inching closer to the end of this program. And if I have to take one more call, well, I don't think we have that time anymore. Biafrans must get ready because Nigeria will pay xenophobia. Is that what they call the South African criminal act? You will see American phobia, China phobia, Indonesia phobia, Indian phobia, hellfire phobia, heaven phobia. But we are waiting. Our hearts are ready. Our hearts are ready. But the question is, are you ready? Biafrans, are you ready? Don't let them intimidate you. Don't let them harass you in order to emasculate you. You look them in the face. Tell them Biafra is a spirit. They will understand. Goodbye for now. Have a nice day.
That no one can kill. God sent the leader of IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, to resurrect our nation, Biafra. Long live Biafra. Freedom Biafra. God bless Biafra. From Sivachi. Biafra cannot die. It's a time for freedom, time for victory. Chukadama is freedom. Biafra must stand. It's a time for freedom, time for victory. Chukadama is freedom. I can win, baby. Biafra, I can win, baby. I can win, baby. God bless Biafra. I can win, baby. Biafra, I can win, baby. I can win, baby. God bless Biafra. They took and use on what we own. I'm bad on us with no. The matter is so badly to suffer. Oh no, oh no. It's less to live, it's hard to die. Children can use weeping. Parents lamenting, the raping and the shooting, the massacre, the killing. Destroying our farmlands and give us what not theirs. To other people, enough is enough. We can't take this no more. Biafra cannot die. It's a time for freedom, time for victory. Chukadiama is with us. Biafra must stand. It's a time for freedom, time for victory. Chukadiama is with us. I can win, baby. Biafra, I can win, baby. I can win, baby. God bless Biafra. I can win, baby. Biafra, I can win, baby. I can win, baby. God bless Biafra. It is time for the chosen people to find a nation. It is time for the chosen people to rewrite their history. It is time for the people that have been enslaved to discover their liberty. Dear brothers and sisters, the time for God to build our nation have come. We have a nation, blessed nation. For a long time we have accepted domination. For a long time we have been strong. For a long time we have been ignored. It's time that God has chosen for us as God. We have a nation. God bless Biafra. Anyhow we will exalt our nation. That nation Biafra. This slave who does not fight for his freedom. Somebody on peace supported. Free, free, freedom. Free, free, freedom. Let's struggle for our liberty, not with weapons of war, but with a common language and a conviction. The Catalonia speeches, Bomba Kalashnikov cannot do anything to a people that have received the same cause, a people that have tasted for freedom, people of Biafra together for victory. Only the struggle liberates.
Because of millions of Biafran men, women, and children massacred in cold blood and are still being massacred. That is why we must continue to fight for Biafra. But the message we're sending across is that you can kill the flesh, but not the spirit. The spirit of Biafra is alive.